I literally have the curtains open and a guy just dropped her mail and he probably saw my ass. Let's do this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're newer, hi. Today we're gonna go and cut off some dresses. I kind of cannot spend my money because I have to save up for my vacation, but I really want to have some new things to wear. So I went into my closet, obviously. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut this one up and try to make something out of it. The first thing I really want to do is throw away this little bear so he leaves me alone. Cut off the sleeves because I don't feel it and they're a little bit puffy-ish. Well, they should be tight, so I want to get rid of that. So I have with me 4 different types of scissors because can never have enough. I don't know, I guess the smartest thing to do is start by cutting from the inside. I think this is the best we're gonna get. Can I rip this? No, I cannot. When I was younger, me and my 2 nieces, my younger nieces, we would always sit with my grandma and we would cut off fabric and sew and make our cute little outfits. I do not have any pictures of that. I also did not ask my grandma because I don't think I want that online. Yeah, I kind of always loved it and then I stopped doing it, and now that I have a YouTube channel, I feel like I can be creative and do stuff I used to do that I don't do anymore. So, yeah. Oh my god, this is gonna take forever. So, I'm using these little nail scissors because I have a nice little, like, turn on them, and I feel like that's gonna help me with this. At least, that's what I think it will. I don't know until we see the results. Final cut. We have 1 sleeve off. Maybe I could put this on my dog. Like, make it a little dress for her. Oh my goodness, we so can. Piper, you're screwed. I have taken it off on this side and I feel like I did a pretty good job. So I don't know if you've seen it already, but I'm having a giveaway. If you did not enter, you still can. I'll have the link down below. I am closing it in like a week or something so that it is in time for Christmas. So depending on how many people are entering, I may or may not throw in an extra advent calendar, but then with chocolate. There we go, 2 sleeves. Can you fit in here or are you too fat? At least nobody can say don't feed my dogs. Alright, the sleeves are off. Kind of love it. Let's try it on. Alright, so this is what we have so far with the no sleeves. I feel like it's way better than with sleeves, but only thing is, like, I have a little weird thing going on these sides. But I was feeling like off the shoulder and then like maybe putting something over here so that it keeps together. I'm not sure yet what I want to do with it, but we'll see. Okay, I found some thread and a needle, but I want to try something out. Okay, something like this is what my idea is. Like, the difference. Yes? No? I think it's a big yes. So, alright. Now that we've got this down, like, I still want to add something, but I'm not sure what. So, let's focus on the next thing. Piper! Baby girl! So, I feel like she's not gonna fit into this. But she is really small, so I'm gonna start by cutting it up. Over here, we can always go lower if necessary. It is stretchable, which is good. So the line of the sleeve where it's connected together, I want to make there the pause. So, Piper, come here. No fighting. No fighting. Alright, let's put your paws like over here. Alright, so I I want to make like a little paw entrance over here. So I'm gonna cut a circle. Oh crap. Oh crap. There we go. That's not too bad. Alright, so for some dumb reason my camera gave up and stopped recording. But I have put her in this. And it is looking cute so far, but I feel like she needs more space around her paws. So that is what I'm gonna do. Cut it up a little bit so I can give her more breathing space. Girl! 1, 2, 3. There we go. This is a bigger finished bowl. And now we're gonna cut this up. As you can see, I have little cut-ins, which I'm gonna follow to create that nice bigger bowl. Alright, it is a couple days later, I'm not gonna lie. I've been thinking like, what can I do to make this a little bit more? But then I realized while thinking about like ideas that I could do that I just didn't like or couldn't envision, I was like, Bandit, get off. He was in front of my camera. I just couldn't really think of anything that I wanted to do. But what I do wanted to do was like show you guys a close-up, a better view of what I did, because I don't really know if you've seen everything right in the dark. The first thing that I did was cut off the sleeves. As you can see here, I tried to do it as nice and clean as I could, and the sleeves came off like this, pretty decently. So with one sleeve, I cut it off right about here-ish, so that it was like this. And then I took my dog to measure where her paws should be. And I felt like only the front paws are enough, because the bottom is just not far to reach the behind legs. Is that correct? I don't know. And now we have a little dress. And what I did is like pull the edges a little bit, so a little frangle, to give it a little bit more of, I don't know, cuteness. So back to my own dress. What I did over here is get some rope or some thread and rope it around it. This is the back and this is the front. I really don't want to do anything to the length, because even though it's long, I feel like it's appropriate for almost anything, and it's pretty tightish, so it's still sexy. So I feel like this is all I'm gonna do. I cut off the sleeves, cut out a little dress for my dog, and now I'm gonna put it on. I literally have the curtains open and a guy just dropped her mail, and he probably saw my ass. While I was thinking about what could I add more to this dress. Like, I could do it already like this or off the shoulders, and I prefer off the shoulder. Don't shake! Shake what your mama gave ya. Oh, poor baby girl. She always shakes when she's on top of tables, because it reminds her of her fat. At least that's what I think. I was like, how can I match my dog more than this? And I'm like, I have a few options without having to put stuff on here. Alright, so I have 2 options. One for when it's a little bit colder. I have a fake fur jacket. Put it over my shoulders. I like this. Without having to do a lot to this dress, like just taking off the sleeves and then adding like a little jacket or something. It gives it such a different vibe, and I love it, and I will totally probably wear this to work. Then it's too hot when you have to put it on, because it will slip down your shoulders. Well, at least with me, maybe I'm clumsy, I probably am, so yeah. Then I also have this a little vest, and then one simply just pulls the shoulders down, like that. I mean, aren't we matching now? Like, same color scheme, sorta. Can you turn this way? That is it for this DIY. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so we notify every time I upload. I love you, and I hope to see you next time. Bye! She scratched my face.